In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for a flight using Uplift on Southwest 2000. To get started, head over to southwest.com. Once you're on the website, begin by searching for your flight just as you normally would. Enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of passengers traveling. This first part is simply about finding the itinerary that works best for your trip. So take a moment to compare the available options and choose the one that fits your schedule and budget. After that, select your preferred flight and continue to the booking details page. From there, you'll be asked to enter the passenger information. Fill in the traveler names and add the required contact details so Southwest can complete the reservation and send updates about the trip. Once everything looks correct, move forward to the payment page. At checkout, you'll see the available payment methods. These may include a credit or debit card and sometimes other payment options depending on availability. What you want to look for here is the Uplift Pay monthly option. Select Uplift to continue. At this point, you'll be redirected to Uplift to apply for financing. You'll need to provide some basic personal information to continue with the approval process. Uplift will then perform a quick soft credit check. In most cases, the decision only takes a few seconds to a few minutes, so the process is usually pretty fast. If you're approved, you'll be shown the payment plan options available for your booking. Depending on the trip cost and your approval terms, you may see plans such as 3 months, 6 months, or 11 months. You'll also be able to review the monthly payment amount and the interest rate associated with each option. This is an important part of the process, so make sure to read the terms carefully and choose the plan that feels most manageable for your budget. In some cases, your selected plan may require a small down payment up front. If that applies, that amount will be charged immediately during checkout before the booking is finalized. Once you've chosen your payment plan, accept the terms and complete the checkout process. After that, your booking will be confirmed. You should receive your Southwest flight confirmation along with your Uplift payment schedule so you know exactly what to expect moving forward. After booking, your monthly payments will typically be charged automatically to your debit card. If you ever need to review or manage those payments, you can do that directly through your Uplift account. And that's how to pay for a flight using Uplift on Southwest in 2025.